Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polymath token. The price line of Polymath has broken out the resistance of the falling wedge, and today it is retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And in today's video, we will try to analyze that whether the price line is going to continue its rally to the upside or it will be re-entered in this wedge. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Now let's start the analysis, and I'm sharing my analysis on the Polymath with you after a long time, because my last analysis that I shared with you was back in January 2021, when the price line of Polymath completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal bat move against the Bitcoin. And this was the chart pattern that I shared with you, and I think that was on the monthly time frame. Let me just show you. Yes, it was formed on the monthly time frame, and the price line entered the buying zone, and you can see at that time it was moving at 0.00000287 bitcoins, and our sell targets I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence. But after playing the chart, we can see that the price line even crossed up these sell targets, which I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat, and rallied up to you can see here that was 0.00002440 bitcoins. That was more than 750% move against the Bitcoin, and that was in fact a very huge move against the US dollar pair as well. Now let's move to the live chart, and here I would like to show you my analysis, the Polymath with the US dollar pair. And on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we can see that the price line from 5th of September, it was moving in this falling wedge, and it was moving very well between the resistance and support of this wedge. We had a rejection here, and we had several touches at the resistance and several touch points at the support as well. So we had a valid support and valid resistance for this falling wedge. And here we also have a very strong price level support as well. This white line you can see is at 61.5 cents, and the price line sometime was using this level as a support, and after breaking down this level, the price line was using this level as a resistance, and here the price line again rejected by this resistance. But after this final rejection, the price line moved down and tested the support of this wedge, and we had a very massive move from 28th of September up till 30th of September, and that was more than 30% move, and the price line moved down again at this support, and today it has tested the previous resistance as a support, and this is another confirmation for the breakout. But the final confirmation would be when we will have the closing above this highest price of this candlestick. That will be the final confirmation for this breakout. Now here I would like to show you the oscillator. I have placed the RSI oscillator as well, and you can see previously the RSI on this 4-hourly time frame, it was forming lower highs and lower lows. Now the RSI has started forming with the price line higher highs and higher lows, so the RSI has also turned bullish after a long time. And if we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see even on the daily time frame this falling wedge is visible, and the price line is breaking out this falling wedge even on the daily time frame as well. For more confirmation, you can also wait for the daily closing above this resistance. However, on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that we have, after a very long time period, we are having this closing above this resistance. So I'm quite confirmed that after this retest especially, that the price line can move up from here. However, we can also wait for the daily closing, or we can also wait for on the 4-hourly time frame to close above this level that is approximately at 77.2 cents. Here I would like to again draw your attentions to this support of 61.5 cents, and you can see we have this support level exactly below this support of this falling wedge. For example, during this retest, if the price line moves down, then price line will have another support of this 61.5 cents. Then in that situation, the price line can have a reversal from this support as well. And you can see previously this support has been breaking as a nice resistance here when we had a rejection here, and here it has been breaking as a nice support, and here for several days it has been breaking as a nice support and as a resistance here, and sometimes as a support and resistance here as well. And here we had finally this level has been breaking as a resistance, and right now after this breakout the price line is moving above this support level. So I'm expecting that after testing this support of the falling wedge that was breaking as a resistance, we can have another move to the upside from here and the rally will be continued. However, if the price line will break down this support, this previous resistance of the channel, and while retesting it, it will be moved more down, then we have another layer of resistance that is at 61.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.